పులిచెంతల ప్రాజెక్టు ఏమైనా అడుగుతున్నాడు. ప్రాజెక్టు కింద నిర్వాసితులైనటువంటి రైతులకి ఇంతవరకు కేటాయింపులు లేవు. గవర్నమెంట్ नहीं दिया उसे आंदोलन में రైతులు ఇక్కడ ఆందోళన इसी ग्रामों से రైతులు ఉంటారు. కాంగ్రెస్ గవర్నమెంట్ if any government promise किया कुछ नहीं देता రైతులు डर कीजिए वो एंटी दिस राजधानी
people are not against only 10% people are against it. So we are not trusting government is not trusting. Very good package this property is
very good
one year
package good very good
1 year before this area okay acre is 10 to 15 lakhs. Today one acre is 1 lakh 1 crore 20 to 1 crore 30 lakhs present market, right? So farmer is happy but package is perfect but
package is very happy but the government is
danger government
not trusted, people are not trusted government.
పూర్తిగా వస్తా రాదా అనేది డౌట్
गवर्नमेंट में गवर्नमेंट के लिए फार्मर्स डरते
ఎవరికి చేయక అరెకలు
आर 10 एकड़
मेरे को చేయక है
all of the people this government में fear
government telling to 3 or 4 years में
because like
4 years below we are giving farmers this package government are telling but farmers are not 3 or 4 years नहीं 6 years farmers are trusted minimum 6 to 10 years government is ruled only 4 years just 4 years.
Hyderabad Andhra plus Telangana 23 districts Andhra Rajdhani 13 districts. This government say people are not interested. बिल पास किया इसी राजधानी में 1000 गजाले होकर इंग्लिश में इसमें हैप्पी बट गवर्नमेंट में इंटरेस्ट नहीं अफ्रेड
लोन माफी फार्मर्स लोन माफी
1 लाख
को 10,000 5,000 2,000 स्केल ऑफ